Hi brothers and sisters, out in the studio, just finished up another wedding ring holder. This is a gorgeous piece. It's made out of black walnut on the base. There's black walnut here. The post is black walnut. Have some burl wood here, brown English oak, some lignin vitate, purple heart, a small purple heart right there out of purple heart wood. Let's take a look. Let's set it down here on the counter. Okay, we've got this one down on the workbench. The wedding ring goes right here on the post, like I said. It's a black walnut base. This is black walnut. The heart is made out of purple heart wood. It's got a clear epoxy on it. The base has clear epoxy. The center black walnut does not have any clear epoxy on it. The brown English oak is here. There's a burl wood here. Lignin vitate, which is a little bit green there. Cocobolo wood and a little bit of burl wood here. Some accent beads all the way around it. Gorgeous piece. And see it at the luxuryringhaven.com. You may be looking at it there right now. We've seen it now. So I'm sure you're looking at this on the website at luxuryringhaven.com. And have a blessed day. Keep walking with Jesus. And see you on the next wedding ring holder video.